If you like following the trend and this indicator does not blow your mind, I don't know what will. It shows you when to buy, when to sell, and when to stay out. If you're a trend trader, you know how hard that is. You can get in a trend, but sometimes it goes sideways and you don't know when to get out, and so you end up losing money. It also gives you buy and sell signals and confirmation signals. So you have double confirmation that you know you're in the right trade. And if you stay until the very end, not only will I show you how to use this indicator to make money, but I will show you and give you a backdoor link so that you can get access to this indicator for free. Most people have to pay $297 for this indicator, but I will let you get access for free. If you stay till the end, I'll show you how. So let's dive in. How to use this indicator to make money? Well, if we're looking at it, let's understand what's going on here. First off, what do we need to look at when we're looking at the trend? Well, we need to look at multiple different time frames. We need to know what is the short-term trend and what is the long-term trend, and we need to combine them together. That's how you have the most success as a trend trader, and this does it for you. So for instance, you can see here, this line that we're seeing on the chart is a simple 10-period moving average. What does that mean? It means it looks at the short-term trend. Why? Because it only looks at the last 10 candles. And so you can see here it adapts super quickly to the trend. When it starts moving up, the line starts moving up. When it starts moving down, the line starts moving down. And so this is how we measure short-term trend. If the stock is above this line, it is a short-term trend. Now, what we also need to look at, because this plays a huge factor on the direction, is the long-term trend. What is the long-term trend doing? Is it trending up? Is it trending down? Or is it sideways? Because that will impact eventually, if not immediately, the short-term trend. And so what this does is it combines it for you. I created a system that looks at the long-term trend and it helps you know what's going on. And I put that inside this 10-period moving average. So if the short-term trend and long-term trend are both up and that trend is supported, the line will be blue. So this is a bullish signal. It's a time to buy. If it's white, that means both the long-term trend and short-term trend are in agreement that a crash will happen or that a pullback or a move down will happen. So white means short. Now, if the long-term and short-term trend are not in agreement or something is going on, what it will give you is a gray signal. This is a signal to stay out. Why is this so helpful? Well, look, if you can see here, it gave a gray signal starting here. And so that means that if this was previously just white because it's moving down, so if you were just trading the short-term trend, you would have lost money because you would have been short, that would immediately shot up against you, and then you would have been able to stop out and lose money on all those trades. So now it turned gray saying, hey, stay out, something is happening here. It could go down further, but it appears that it could also turn around and go up. And so with that, it gave a gray signal. So blue is buy, white is sell, gray is stay out. How do we actually use those signals to make money? Blue, we can buy the stock. We can buy a call option, or we can sell a put credit spread option. We can also sell a put option. Those are 4 ways to make money when the line turns blue. Next, the white turns white, meaning that we're starting to roll over and starting to move down. We can go into inverse ETFs that make money as the original stock, this one goes down, the other ones go up. Next, we can also buy a put, which makes money to the downside, and we can enter call credit spreads, which makes money to the downside as well. If it's gray, we stay out of the trade. If we really think we want to trade the direction, we only go in about 50% of our max size to understand, because we don't know what's going to happen exactly. So that is the original buy and sell signal. So how do we add confirmation? Well, this indicator was built by a trend trader, trend trading over 6 years, for trend traders like you. And so I put in some of the 4 best trend trading indicators into it in one. Why is this so powerful? Well, because now you have your trend trading hub all in one spot. But 2, if you're using TradingView on a free account, like most of you are, they only allow you to have 2 indicators on your chart at one time, and volume counts as 1. So now I put all these in this indicator into one, so that you only have to add one indicator to your chart, and you get access to the power of 5. And so now you don't have to pay, and you get all these indicators at the same time. So what I love here is enabling the super trend, which is an ATR based trend. And why I like this is because it gives me confirmation. It shows me extra validation of what the long-term trend is. So you can see here at this area, this cloud is green and the line is blue. So both of these are signaling a buy signal. That's a very great time to enter a trade, a long trade. Same thing with this. If I'm getting a red cloud and it's moving down, and then I get this white rollover, this white sell signal, then that means that it's rolling over. And you see here, huge crash. Same thing here, huge crash. I was able personally to make a lot of money from these call credit spreads on the way down. And so again, that is your confirmation signals. But not only that, there are so many other amazing indicators on here. One of them that I absolutely love as well is the predictive trend channels. You have to give it a second to calculate, but when you add these trending channels, it allows you to see exactly what is going on for the trend. Now, how does this work and how do I use them? Well, if I'm in this upper portion of this trend, I know that the trend is weak, and so we're hitting resistance, and so I'm looking for a white rollover at that point. So that's confirmation. Hey, we're getting into a weak zone right here. A weak trending zone. We start to roll over, get this white signal. That's a great entry. And now I have a target price. I have this first as my first target price, this as my second target price. Vice versa to the downside. You can see here when we hit and we're inside this range, I wait for a blue signal. The blue signal then gives me a take profit of this gray line, this red line, and then this red line. So now I know my take profits and I know the best time to enter as a value perspective. If I enter in this area, I have a greater value for buying. If I enter this area, as a greater value for selling. And so like that, that's all available with one click of a button. It will automatically draw you trend lines and it will change with the trend, obviously. Now you can see here, it's bouncing into this top range. And so what does this mean? It means I'm looking for a rollover. And so again, at least a small pullback, at least to these ranges. And now I know that so I can take advantage of it. I'm personally in a call credit spread trade to make money here on a small dip. And so that's how I use all this together to be able to execute and place trades to make money. And so if you want free access to this indicator, most people have to pay for it. But if you click the third link down below, you can join, and it does not say anything about an indicator because again, I'm giving you a free backdoor link. If you go into it and it says my free alerts plus 3 killer trading tools or something like that, you click that link and you start a free trial to my Discord membership, which is where people like you and me, trend traders, use this indicator to profit, to trade, and to make money on a monthly basis. And so if you grab your free trial to that, I will give you lifetime access to this indicator. There will be a backdoor link after you sign up for the free trial. This means that even if you cancel your free trial or you don't decide to stay, you'll still have lifetime access to this indicator. And this indicator is available on Thinkorswim and TradingView, and you will get access to any updates in the future, even if you're not a current member. But go click down below, start your free trial, and grab your backdoor free link to this amazing trend trading indicator. All right, guys, see you in the next video.